Okay, good morning students. Today we will discuss about exporting data frames data as a table in MySQL database. Means इससे पहले हमने डाटा को इंपोर्ट किया था, टेबल के डाटा को यानी कि MySQL टेबल के डाटा को इंपोर्ट किया था डाटा फ्रेम के अंदर. अब एक्सपोर्ट मीन्स विल सेंड आवर डाटा फ्रेम्स डाटा, अपने डाटा फ्रेम से डाटा हमें टेबल के अंदर राइट करना है. फॉर दैट वी ऑल्सो नीड टू फॉलो सम स्टेप्स and also import and also install some libraries like PyMySQL, ScaleSme library. Okay, for that you will write pip install or library name. If you want to install any library in your system, go to the prompt and write pip install and library name. For this, internet connection is required on that time. Okay, so after installing the required library, you have to write some programs or some coding inside it. So to export data frames data as a table in MySQL data frame, you also need to follow some steps. So first step is import required libraries by issuing the command edge. आपको library import करनी है. So import pandas as pd, import PyMySQL from ScaleSme, import create engine, because only this function is required from this library, ScaleSme library. So in the first step you will write this. For the second step you need to establish a connection to database using the create engine function. Okay, so using the create engine function or by giving these two commands, engine equal to, or you can take any other variable, engine equal to create underscore engine, and pass this parameter MySQL plus PyMySQL colon root is your user ID and password, whatever password you are using for the MySQL, @ localhost/school, or you can test or any database name, right? And next is con, or you can take any connection name. Before this we make a program with the mycon variable. You can take any variable of the connection name, conn or mycon equal to engine dot connect. Use the connect method here, right? So this is in the second step we will establish a connection to the database using the create engine function, and for that we have to these two commands, right? Now the third step is write the data frames data, DFS means data frames data, onto the MySQL table using the to_SQL function. For this you have to write df, any data frame name, dot to_SQL, in the bracket you have to write the any name, connection name, if exist equal to replace, right? So all these three steps you have to follow to export data frames data as a table in MySQL. So with some examples, let's come to know one by one for all these steps, right? So you can see all the steps. This is the step 1, as I told you. This is the step 2, already told you. Okay, in this step you have to write this command. Write MySQL database name, school, password of user ID, and the third step is data frames data onto the MySQL table. You have to write the table name, connection, index. These are optional. If exist equal to append or replace. सपोज हो सकता है उसी नाम से पहले से कोई टेबल हो तो उसको रिप्लेस करना है कि अपेंड करना है कि क्या करना है. You can see the meaning of all the things. DF means data frame object name. Okay, table name is the name of table on MySQL database with which connection is to be established. Connection is the database connection name in step 2. Index argument specifies if a new column for the database index is to be created. So all these arguments are given. If exist, argument specifies what to do if the mentioned table name already exists. अगर आपने कोई ऐसी टेबल का नाम दे दिया है जो पहले से ही है तो उस टाइम क्या करना है, उसको रिप्लेस करना है, उसको अपेंड करना है, या उसको डिफ़ॉल्ट इज़ फेल विच रेजिज वैल्यू एरर, तो उस टाइम आपकी एरर आ जाएगी. राइट. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसिडर द स्टेटमेंट गिवन बिलो. ये आपका डेटा फ्रेम है TDFAS, वट एवर नेम इज़ गिवन, TDF, रोल नंबर, नेम और मार्क्स. टेक सिंपल वैल्यूज. ओके. दिस डाटा फ्रेम हैज़ इंडेक्स नंबर नॉट टेबल्स. सो इंडेक्स नंबर इसमें दिया हुआ है. और लेट अस क्रिएट ए टेबल टॉपर. कोई भी नाम है इस टेबल का, टॉपर है जो हम देना चाहते हैं नाम. सो राइट द प्रोग्राम. इम्पोर्ट pandas, मतलब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप एज इम्पोर्ट ऑल द लाइब्रेरीज. राइट. TDF data frame created or loaded here. So second step, engine equal to create engine MySQL plus PyMySQL root mypass at localhost or test. Test is the name of database. Third step, TDF.toSQL topper1. Topper1 is the name of table. mycon is the name of connection. if exist equal to replace. अगर पहले से इस नाम से टेबल है तो उसको रिप्लेस कर दे. राइट. what to do it topper1 table is already exist on the database. So in this way we have to write the command. The above code successfully executed, and when we check this by running a select query on MySQL client, this is the table. ये जो डाटा है ये डाटा फ्रेम का डाटा था जो कि MySQL टेबल के ऊपर राइट किया है. ओके. Above code has successfully created a table from data frame TDF's data. You can see. Let us consider another data frame top DF. उसके अंदर रोल नंबर, नेम और मार्क्स से लिखा हुआ है. सेक्शन ABCD इस तरह से ही आपका. So in the same fashion you will write the code. topper2 mycon index equal to false, if exist replace. ठीक है, आपको इंडेक्स नहीं लेना है. सो इंडेक्स इक्वल टू फॉल्स. यू कैन राइट. you can see when we give the command like topdf.toSQL topper2 mycon if exist equals to replace, it will give the error message, because the reason is that while writing data frames having index label we should give index equal to false. Arguments show that index label are ignored and MySQL table is created. So include this argument index equal to false. So you can see table is created with the same data. We can see an example. Write a program to write the data frames given below in sales table of test database. यानी कि इसके अंदर आपको टेबल का नाम क्या लेना है और डाटाबेस का नाम क्या लेना है वो भी दिया हुआ है ऑन MySQL. इफ़ द टेबल एग्जिस्ट देन द रिकॉर्ड शुड ओवरराइड द टेबल. वो कहता कि अगर डाटा उस नाम की टेबल दी हुई तो डाटा ओवरराइड कर दे उसको. ये आपका डाटा फ्रेम है. सो लेट्स कम ऑन द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट स्टेप, import all the packages. Import pandas hpd from scalpme, import create engine, import pymysql. Second step, to create the connection. So creating connection to the database, for that you have to write engine equal to create underscore engine mysql. इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर लिखना है आपको. ये कंप्लीट को स्टार्टिंग में और एंडिंग में इन्वर्टेड कॉमा इनक्लोज करना है. mysql प्लस pymysql ://root my pass is the name of password id, right? @localhost/test is the name of database. mycon equal to, here name of the connection name is the mycon, equal to engine.connect, right? So all df dot to underscore sql. Sales is the name of table where you want to write the data frames data, comma mycon is the name of connection. Index equal to false so that it can be ignored by the table. if exist equal to replace. अगर कोई डाटा पहले से है उस नाम से टेबल है तो उसको रिप्लेस कर दे. You can see the output. The data is written on the MySQL table, right? So let's take another example. Write a program to write only the top 4 rows of the data frames all df used in the previous example. Sales 2 of the test database in MySQL. If the table exists then the record should get appended. अगर टेबल पहले से बनी हुई है जो रिकॉर्ड हैं उसमें वो रहने चाहिए और अपेंड हो जाने चाहिए. अपेंड का मतलब होता है और ऐड हो जाना उसके अंदर, राइट? So almost program will be same. So you have to take step 1 or import all the libraries. Step 2 create the connection. यहाँ तक तो सेम रहेगा बिल्कुल, राइट? all df. अब आपको पता है हेड एक फंक्शन यूज होता है जिसके अंदर अगर आप खाली हेड और ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट और क्लोज करेंगे तो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट 5 रोज लेगा वो किसी भी डाटा फ्रेम की. तो आपको 4 रोज चाहिए तो हेड 4 यू हैव टू पास द वैल्यू ऑफ 4. सो ऑल df, ये इज द नेम ऑफ डाटा फ्रेम. डॉट हेड 4 मीन्स उसकी टॉप 4 रोज लेगा. डॉट टू SQL, SQL फंक्शन का नाम है. Okay, to underscore SQL. Sales 2 is the name of table. mycon is the name of connection. Index equal to false so that it can be ignored. If exist equal to append, right? So you can see the result of the data frames or of the MySQL table. The data frames data is written on the MySQL table. You can see easily. So that marks the end of this chapter. You have to write some questions. I will send the notes to you. You have to write some questions or check some questions that are given in the exercise in the last of the chapter. Write a program that reads from a CSV file. So you know how to write the data from read the data from the CSV file. Okay. You can see also the output. This is the question. Name and marks in 3 subjects in a data frame. Then program should add a column total storing total of marks in 3 subjects. So you can see how we can write the code for this. You have to write this question in your notebook also. You can see another program. Write a program that lists only those records from SQL table student that have marks in the range of 50 to 60. Okay. So you can see how to write this program. Select star from student where marks greater than 50 and marks less than 60 you have to write in the query. Rest of the thing almost same. You can see one more program, the student table of test database. You have to write a program to load the data of the student table in a data frames. Display data frame and also displaying the details of the topper students, right? So you have to write the code like that. So you have to follow all the steps that is already told to you. Almost all the things are same. Okay. So try to understand this program, how we can show the data, how we can find the toppers. You can see the output also. Okay, you can see another example. The student table of test database of MySQL store student details as roll number, name, marks, whatever. Write a program to load the student record of this student table where grade is A or A plus in the data frame. Display the data frame. So the same thing you will use. Okay. You can see how to write. You can see the output. You can see one more example. Data frame cell DF stores about 50 rows in it. Write a program to store its rows from 10 to 15 in the table. Random on a MySQL database, namely world. Append the rows if the table already exists. So you have to write these codes. Import pandas or import the libraries, make the connection and write to the MySQL table. Okay. So before exporting the data frame, I want to tell you or remind you one more thing कि it requires proper ORM यानी कि object relational mapping which will ensure the MySQL database tables are created or manipulated exactly as MySQL database would have done natively, right? So for this you have to you use the create engine, ScalesMe library, okay, or we use PyMySQL library as I told you. So connection with the MySQL connector, support many flexible parameterized query for reading from the MySQL database using read_SQL. but it does not support writing onto the MySQL database using to_SQL. to_SQL हमने जो मेथड यूज़ किया है वो हमें PyMySQL लाइब्रेरी से और ScalcsMe लाइब्रेरी से यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. क्रिएट इंजन ScalcsMe से करना है और to_SQL PyMySQL से यूज़ करना है, इसलिए हमें उनको इंपोर्ट करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. फॉर राइटिंग ऑन टू द MySQL वर्जन 5.5 और हायर ए कनेक्शन विद द स्टोरिंग ORM. ORM means Object Relational Mapping. ORM support is required, which is created through the ScalcsMe's create engine method. Or PyMySQL library ensure Python to MySQL transition of data smoothly. So in this way, by giving all these 3 steps, okay, you can write the data frames data to the MySQL table. Okay, that marks the end of the chapter. Thank you.